This is the HUAWEI Pura X Max. It is the world's first wide folding handset. It doesn't feel like a phone that turns into a tablet. It feels like a digital passport, a high-end productivity machine that finally understands how we actually consume content in 2026. Today, we're diving into the Kirin 9030 Pro, that massive 7.7-inch display, and the camera tech that's trying to beat Apple and Samsung at their own game. Is this the future of foldables, or just a very expensive experiment? Let's find out. You get a 7.7-inch flexible OLED. Because it's wider than your average foldable, 16:9 videos have less letterboxing, and reading ebooks feels incredibly natural. It's thin, too, just 5.2 millimeters when unfolded. Under the hood, we have the new Kirin 9030 Pro. Now, we all know the hurdles Huawei has faced, but this silicon is a serious step up. Compared to the Kirin 9020 in last year's Pura X, we're looking at a 25% boost in CPU and a massive 70% jump in NPU performance. In real-world use, the Harmony OS 6.1 experience is butter smooth. It handles the wide multitasking features, like having a full-sized browser next to a video call without breaking a sweat. And yes, it's 5G ready. Huawei's Pura branding is all about photography, and the X Max doesn't compromise just because it folds. Main sensor: 50 megapixel with a variable aperture, f1.4 to f4.0. This gives you that real optical bokeh that software just can't fake. Telephoto: 50 megapixel periscope with 100x digital zoom. It's crisp, it's stable, and it's arguably the best zoom lens on a foldable right now. Ultra-wide: 12.5 megapixel for those landscape shots. To keep this wide beast running, there's a 5300 mAh battery. It's not the biggest in the world, but with 66-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging, you're back to 100% in under an hour. So, the bottom line: the Huawei Pura X Max starts at around 10,999 yuan, roughly $500 US.